Army Potty Training by Sofia Angel. Soldier Sam marches with his toy tank under the sun, with his army helmet, having so much fun. Sam feels a tingle, it's time to go. Soldiers are brave, to the bathroom, we know. Pulls down his pants, just like that. Ready to sit, Sam does the soldier squat. Sits on the potty with a big grin. Waits for the pee, it's coming from within. Sam remembers what Mommy said. Take your time, no need to dread. Drawing in his potty book, with delight, while waiting for the pee, everything's right. Pee starts to flow. Sam feels proud, like a soldier standing tall in a crowd. Done with his task, now time to wipe. Mommy showed him, helps soldiers do it right. Flushes the potty, swish and whirl. Sam the soldier, giving it a twirl. Washes his hands with soap and water. Everyone knows, soldiers do what they oughta. Dries his hands, nice and neat. Sam's all done. What a feat! Practice every day. I take the chance. When I have to pee, I do the army dance.